In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the shell in Replit and install Claude code into your project. We'll move at a steady pace so you can follow along comfortably. First, make sure you have your Replit project open in your browser. The shell is Replit's full command line interface, and it's different from the console. The console shows output from your program, while the shell lets you run commands, manage files, and install dependencies directly. To open the shell, look to the sidebar or bottom panel of your Replit workspace. You should see a tab labeled Shell. If it's collapsed, expand the Tools or Panels area, then click Shell to bring it into view. Once it's open, you'll be at a command prompt inside your project's environment. If you ever find yourself in the wrong directory, the shell starts in your project's root by default, so you're ready to work right away. Now let's install the Claude code into the project. If you already have the code files on your computer, you can drag and drop them into the Replit file tree. That immediately uploads them into your project. If the code lives in a remote repository, use the shell to bring it in. You can clone a repo or download an archive and extract it into your project folder. Keep an eye on the file tree to confirm that the new files appear exactly where you want them. Once the Claude code is in place, install any required dependencies using the shell. Match the commands to the project's language. For JavaScript or TypeScript projects, run the package manager command to install modules listed in a package manifest. For Python projects, use pip to install what's listed in a requirements file. If the project provides its own setup instructions, follow those commands in the shell so the environment is properly configured. Watch the shell output for errors. If a module is missing, the message will usually tell you what to install next. After dependencies are installed, perform a quick smoke test. If there's a start script, run it. If the code is meant to be imported, try a short command to ensure it loads without errors. This helps you catch typos, missing files, or version mismatches early. If your code needs configuration values, keep them out of your source files. Use Replit Secrets tool to store sensitive environment variables safely, and reference them from your code without exposing anything in the repository. That's it. You've opened the shell in Replit and installed the Claude code into your project, all set up to build, run, and iterate with confidence.